Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the HeyGen free plan in 2026. So if you want to create AI avatar videos without paying, test the platform, or start making faceless content for YouTube, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, go to the HeyGen website and create a free account, so you don't need a credit card to start the free plan. Next, understand what you get. I mean, the free plan usually allows a few videos per month, with short duration and watermark on exports. So yeah, click Create Video. This is where you start building your AI avatar video using templates or text to video. Now select an AI avatar. Free users usually get access to basic avatars, not all premium ones. So yeah, paste your script into the editor. Your avatar will turn your text into speech automatically. Next, adjust basic settings like background and layout. Advanced features may be locked in the free version. So yeah, click Generate and wait. Free users may experience slower processing times compared to paid plans. Now preview your video and download it. The free version usually includes a watermark on your final video. Finally, to get the most out of the free plan, keep your scripts short, use simple avatars, and avoid long videos. This helps you stay within the limits easily. And that's how to use the HeyGen free plan in 2026. Once you understand the limits and workflow, you can still create useful AI avatar videos without spending money. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.